Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered if a robot could learn to assemble your lunch just by watching videos of people working? Well, a team of researchers is making that a reality with a new approach they call an Enon. Teaching robots complex physical tasks is incredibly difficult because collecting enough specific robot training data is slow and expensive. While there are thousands of hours of video of humans performing these tasks, there's a huge gap between how a human moves and how a robot does. This paper's big idea is a clever two-step recipe to solve this problem. First, they pre-train their AI model, named Humano, on over 1,000 hours of diverse, in the wild, videos of people doing everyday things. This gives the model a broad, foundational understanding of how to interact with the world, much like a general education. Then, they fine-tune it with a smaller set of on-task videos, where humans perform the exact tasks the robot needs to master, like specialized job training. But here's where it gets really interesting. The researchers found that their initial AI was cheating by learning to tell the difference between human hands and robot hands, instead of focusing purely on the action. To fix this, they added a special component that essentially forces the AI's internal understanding to become embodiment invariant, blurring the line between human and robot. As you can see from this chart, their initial model could tell human and robot data apart with 100% accuracy. After their fix, the model's guess was no better than a coin flip, proving it was now focused on the task itself. And the results of this approach are stunning. The Humano robot was able to follow language instructions that it had only ever seen in the human video data, not in its own robot training. For example, it could correctly grasp a specific mustard bottle when asked, a task it had never performed before as a robot. Even more impressively, it demonstrated few-shot learning. It learned a complex, two-handed pouring task after seeing just a single robot demonstration because it could leverage all its prior knowledge from the human videos. So, let's recap the key breakthroughs. The core is a new recipe: pre-train on vast, general human video, then fine-tune on specific on-task video. They developed a technique to bridge the physical gap between human and robot bodies, allowing for much better knowledge transfer. This unlocked incredible new abilities, like understanding novel instructions and learning skills from almost no examples. What does this mean for the future? This approach could dramatically speed up how we train robots for all sorts of jobs, from manufacturing to maybe one day helping out in our own homes. It's a huge step towards creating more general-purpose robots that can learn from the world just like we do. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.